Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your 3D navigation and we'll be starting with the home function. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the tutorial here. Now, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the 3D navigation, which is this window here. And there's a few different options to look at on the top and the right. So we'll be going through function for function, just so you guys have a good understanding of what they do. Because navigating 3D space, if you're not used to working in 3D programs, can be quite challenging. You often find yourself getting lost and making a mess of things. So we're going to run over some basics and then afterwards some tips as well on just how to make it more simple for you. But yeah, so then the first one we have to look at here is the home. Now this function is great for if you mess up your view. Like I said, it happens way too easily. Like you might be rotating it and then you get in some angle like this and now you just can't get back. And as you can see, it becomes a mess to work because you're now on the wrong side of the design. So everything's going to be up and down and so forth. So then what you can do is you simply click on home and then it will reset everything to the top view. But keep in mind, you don't want to use this just for everything, because you might be looking for a very specific angle. Then if you hit this one, it's going to reset it and you have to redo all that hard work of getting that angle. Because like I said, navigating 3D space can be quite challenging if you're not used to it. But like anything else, the more time you spend in it, the more competent you will get. So I encourage you to play around, try get a bit lost, and then see if you cannot reset it yourself, then you hit the home button and it will take it back to you. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the home. So just a quick recap, it is basically to reset your viewport to the standard top down for your sheet that you're going to be cutting. Very handy button, and you'll find you'll probably use it quite a lot. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the home function. Before we head to the next one, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply click here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.